Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Special attention, be patient for at least 20 seconds of this video clip, and you will surely find what you are looking for. Alexandru is my name, and in this video clip we will discuss about how to make money from home, 11 best ways most of us can use a little extra cash each month, especially in today's inflationary environment. The good news is that there are ways to make money from home, and you can do it on a flexible schedule. 11 best ways to make money from home in 2023. If you're looking for some of the best ways to make money from home in 2023, there are a number of things you can try, from selling craft items to driving for a delivery service like DoorDash. Let's take a look at 11 ideas for making money from home. 1. Monetize a website. These days, it's relatively easy to get a domain name and start a website. A website builder like Squarespace can help you figure out what you want your website to be about and then add content. You can monetize in different ways. Examples include sign up for AdSense and receive revenue from ads on your website. Other ad servers, like Mediavine, might also be a possibility. Participate in affiliate programs for products and services that you can review and recommend. You'll receive a small commission each time someone buys through your link. Just make sure you're open about your affiliate relationship. Get paid to post specific, sponsored content on your website. Make sure to disclose which content is paid. However, give rides to others. One of the most common side hustles is providing rides through rideshare apps like Lyft and Uber. You usually need to meet certain requirements, such as, of course, having a driver's license and the right level of car insurance coverage. Your car might also need to meet specific criteria, so double-check before signing up. 3. Food delivery. Another option is to deliver people their food orders. Apps such as DoorDash and Uber Eats connect you with consumers who want food delivered to their homes. You can pick up their orders and deliver them for cash and potentially receive tips. Another variation of this is to do others' grocery shopping through Instacart. You need to meet specific requirements to use these apps, including understanding food handling practices. Read through the requirements before you apply. 4. Take surveys. If you have a few minutes here and there, you can make between 50 cents and $5 or more per survey. Some websites let you take various surveys using a mobile app and might have several available. Other sites might also offer the chance to participate in focus groups, which might take longer but could potentially pay more. Some survey websites allow you to earn cash, while others provide points that can be redeemed for gift cards. Consider starting at the following websites: Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, Inspired Opinions, Swagbucks. 5. PetSit. Animal lovers can make money by hanging out with their furry friends. Using an app like Rover, you can connect with pet owners who need help caring for their animals. This can include simple tasks like dog walking, or more complicated tasks such as having pets stay with you for several days. You also might be asked to visit a home to feed and play with pets. Make sure you're equipped to take care of animals before you go this route. 6. Tutor. If you have knowledge that others need, consider tutoring. You can get tutoring jobs by posting at a local school, but it's also possible to tutor online. Sign up to help others learn important concepts, study for tests, or practice English. Tutoring websites you can consider signing up with include Tutor.com, Preply, Varsity Tutors, Sklee, Project Untethered, Palfish. 7. Freelance. It's possible to make money online as a freelancer. Rather than working for one particular company, you can go self-employed and provide what you're good at to various parties. Some types of work that you might be able to do on a freelance basis include writing, editing, research, graphic design, coding, marketing and public relations, social media management. To get started, you can sign up with a website like Fiverr or Upwork. Other sites, among them 99 Designs, FlexJobs, and Remote Bliss, can help you find freelance work. 8. Sell pictures. When you have a talent for creating beautiful pictures, you might be able to sell them online. Publishers and other companies need stock photos, and you can fill that need. Put them on a website for selling pictures, and you can receive a small fee for each one downloaded. Some websites that might be able to help you sell photos include Fope, Adobe Stock, SmugMug Stock, Shutterstock. 9. Sell items you make. For the crafty, selling items you create can be a way to make money from home and monetize a hobby. Whether you use calligraphy to make beautiful stationery, create custom stickers, or offer woodwork furniture, you can sell what you've made. Websites such as Etsy and Shopify can help you set up a storefront and process payments. You can also sell from your own website. 10. Create and sell digital products. Digital products such as courses and ebooks can offer a way to make money from home. If you want to sell and manage a course, a website like Thinkific, Kajabi, or Sandcart can help. These websites charge a monthly fee. However, if you prefer to pay nothing upfront, consider a site like Gumroad that allows you to host your digital products for free and just takes a cut of each sale. 11. Create video or audio content. Content creators on platforms such as TikTok and YouTube can make money from ad revenue as well as through sponsored content and affiliate links. You could also start a podcast and monetize it. Platforms including Spotify might have a revenue sharing model for creators, and you can also charge people to advertise on your podcast. When you create content, you can also set up a page for patrons of your work through Patreon and get people to pay membership fees to support your efforts. Helpful tips to make your work from home successful. No matter how you decide to make money from home, it's important to plan ahead and do what you can for success. Here are 4 things to keep in mind as you work from home. Block out time in your schedule. Making money requires time and effort. Consider blocking out time in your schedule to work on your money-making endeavors. For example, you might decide to set aside an hour each day to take surveys, or dedicate 2 hours each day to DoorDash. Know when you need to market. While it might not matter when using an app like Lyft or Instacart, if you're trying to make money from your website or selling digital products, you need a marketing plan. You need to reach others through social media and understand how to use keywords to rank higher in search engines. Set aside money for taxes. Don't forget that Uncle Sam will want a cut of whatever money you make from home. Consider setting aside 25% to 30% of your income to pay federal and state taxes. You can also use services like Cash App Taxes to get help filing your taxes later. If you're driving a lot, track your mileage. You'll be able to claim the miles you drove for work on your taxes. Many other business expenses are also tax deductible. Make sure you have the right equipment. Depending on what you plan to do, you might need equipment. Usually, you need a laptop or a phone. If you're creating video or audio content, you need a good camera and mic. The better your ability to create, the more likely you are to be successful. Buying equipment is one example of a tax-deductible business expense. Pros and cons of earning from home. As you weigh whether to start working from home, consider the advantages and disadvantages. If you got here to the end of the video I presented on my YouTube channel, Alexandru, thank you for watching the video. I hope it was useful, and I hope it helped you in some way. If you like this video clip, I would be happy if you like a share and subscribe to this channel. Only good regards, Alexandru, YouTube channel creator.